Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest tech products on the market. Today, we're exploring a game-changer for landscape astrophotography enthusiasts, the RexingUSA R4-4 channel dash cam. With its advanced features and unparalleled capabilities, the RexingUSA R4-4 is not just your ordinary dash cam, it's a powerful tool for capturing stunning landscapes and celestial wonders alike. Let's delve into what makes this dash cam stand out from the crowd. The RexingUSA R4-4 offers comprehensive coverage with its 4 cameras, capturing not only the front and rear views but also the left and right sides of your vehicle. This means you'll never miss a moment, whether it's a breathtaking sunset or a mesmerizing star-filled sky. Experience unparalleled clarity with the R4-4's all-around 1080p resolution. Every detail is crisp and vibrant, ensuring that your landscape shots are nothing short of breathtaking. Stay connected and track your adventures with ease using the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Transfer footage directly to your mobile device via the Rexing Connect app and overlay speed and location data onto your videos for added context. Rest easy knowing that your vehicle is protected even when parked. The R4-4's parking mode detects motion and automatically starts recording, ensuring that you have evidence in the event of an incident. But wait, there's more. Here are some additional benefits that make the RexingUSA R4-4 the ultimate choice for landscape astrophotography. Thanks to its IR night vision capabilities, the R4-4 delivers stunning images even in low light conditions. Say goodbye to grainy nighttime footage and hello to crystal clear shots of the night sky. Whether you prefer an adhesive mount or a suction cup mount, the R4-4 offers hassle-free installation options to ensure a secure fit onto your vehicle's windshield. In conclusion, the RexingUSA R4-4 channel dash cam is not just a dash cam. It's a game-changer for landscape astrophotography enthusiasts. With its advanced features, unparalleled clarity, and ease of use, it's the perfect companion for capturing the beauty of the night sky. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Until next time, happy shooting!